Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Spring has definitely sprung here in Deer Park, and the fishing season is open. So I always get out on the first day of trouting season. I'm going to be heading out to Whitburn today, and I'm going to meet up with my good buddy Peter, who you've seen on previous videos, and we're going to go out and give it our best shot in the fishing kayaks. He bought one just like mine, and yeah, so we're going to do that. The other thing I have to do though first is I have to get to the cabin, and I've got to take care of a chore that I've been putting off for way too long. So stick around, this should be a good one. First thing I gotta get taken care of today are these flower beds. They've been neglected for way too long. I tried raking these up there a couple years ago, but I couldn't seem to. It was almost like the roots were too well established at that point with the thatch, and it was so thick it was almost impossible to rake. We'll see how it goes today. It's all grown together so much. Really hard to get, pretty much taking all the soil with it. I think this is a start over situation anyway. My wife told me when I built these, they look like 3 cemetery plots. I can't disagree with her. All right, the second one was very easy. One more to go. It seems like some of it is sort of grown together a lot more than the other stuff. This second box came apart pretty good, so this one here, we'll see. All right, Peter Goss gave me an idea there yesterday. Figured I'd give it a try before I tried to till this. I was going to rent the tiller, but they're a bit pricey. So Peter suggested that I take the blades off my ice auger, which I did, and use that as a tiller. Let's see if it works. You gotta keep me in water.
What's this here now?
Just going, just going.
What's that bubble on there?
Don't worry about that.
Is this recording? Much ice there, Monty?
not even here. Well, it works like a charm. Just got to pluck some of the weeds out of that now, and we'll be good to go. I'd say it's time to head out to Whitburn and do a little bit of trouting. We getting any trout or what?
Yeah.
Are we getting any trout?
Don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? I drove an hour.
Yeah, when he gets in the waiting for Monty in there now. Monty's going through customs. Did you clear customs or?
The joke's so funny.
What?
That joke's funny.
And
I found it funnier 7 times to sit it.
yeah, the first couple of times I wasn't recording though, see?
Oh.
You gonna leave your truck there like that or?
Alright. Not alright.
I wouldn't leave it there. If somebody comes with a boat.
And we're off. We originally thought we were going to be able to take the both kayaks on the side-by-side and go a little further inland, but that doesn't look like it's going to work out. So that's okay. I'll make my way up along this area with old Peter. Try for a trout. Perfect. Perhaps have a little boil up. Loves it.
So this is the first pond. And we're gonna go straight over right up in that corner. There's a little tiny channel, Monty, so we gotta go through. That'll bring us out in the second pond.
Very serene coming through these ponds. Little channel up ahead there. Jumping everywhere.
Maybe one was jumping over the floor, I guess.
And I saw one go after that one then too. Jeez, bye. Huh?
What have I got tangled up now?
I don't know, but hang on, don't do nothing. Not bad.
Let it go. Ready to trout them out.
Let's see what he thinks of me green demon now. That's the whole point. That's the part of the story. Part of the story is you went up and all we got was salmon peel.
What you gonna do now, Monty?
I'm gonna put the drone up. Solemn day on the river.
Great spot if you like 3-inch salmon peel.
I'm not using no trout here.
Oh, there is.
Oh, we're just not getting them.
We had some. You never talked about size or quality. 3-inch salmon peel is trout.
A lot of wind. I don't know if I'm going to get this up or not.
Shouldn't be too bad going back. Won't ever put the paddle in the water. Are you going to crash it today?
I sure hope not, Peter. I sure hope not. I might though.
Well, I gotta say, Pelican catch 10, mode 110. I'm impressed. Been in a lot of kayaks over the years, but regards to stability, comfort, easy to paddle, and lots of room. I gotta say, I'm enjoying it. Splash.
Approaching. Douche.
We have contact. If you're looking at spending $1,200, something that's comfortable, attracts the flies, must be the colors or something.
Yeah, there's black fly pheromone built right in.
But regards to comfort, the stability, room, easy to paddle, good $1,200. Gotta say, I'm impressed.
Yeah.
You?
Oh yeah, big time. I loved it. I mean, we've been paddling against the wind the whole way up.
Yeah, it's good.
That fly dope we put on, just well, we lathered ourselves up in purity syrup. I think they liked it.
Oh, he loves that stuff.
Oh my God.
Now you get the worm on there, buddy. You want to be G's Orca to get the motor on. You want to put a 12-pound trout to get his mouth open. Orca. Not known for trout up here,
No.
but great for kayaking.
It is beautiful kayaking.
Very easy accessible with the truck and no fooling around. And any second at all, we're going to be on shoal.
In by the black flies again. That's good. That's where I want us to be. Let's get the FULK out of this. It's your time.
Let's get the FULK out of this, man.
Oh, I think that's going to clue it up for this one. No trout, a few salmon.
Some trout?
Yeah, you got a few salmon peel, that's true.
Trout.
Nice day out all the same, and don't forget, get outdoors and blow the stink of the house off you.
Get outside, blow the stink off ya.
See you on the next one.